Hi guys, I'm Kya.
And I'm Kyakyasmr.
Welcome back to this week's Restock video. We are restocking
Saturday, June 15th at 12 p.m. PST, 3 p.m. EST on Kyakyasmr.com.
and we have our promotion, which is if you buy 3 slimes, you get a free 2-ounce, and if you buy 4 slimes, you get free shipping plus the free 2-ounce slime. And this week we have a lot of new slimes as well as a lot of best-selling slimes. So stay tuned for that. Let's move on to the video.
Yes.
The first new slime we're restocking is called
Cucumber Melon Sorbet.
As you can see, this one is Kyakyasmr's favorite because it's very green.
Okay.
Can you describe the texture?
Yes, so the bottom is a clear slime with iridescent glitters.
Ooh.
And then the top is a sizzly, icy, and they mix into basically a softer, stretchier, icy slime. Smells just like cucumber melon.
Ooh.
So I try to make a lot of slimes for this upcoming summer, theme because it's so hot here in California.
Right.
Yeah, so we need something cool to, something to cool you down. Put the slimes in the fridge, man. It feels so good.
Oh, yeah, right.
Yeah.
So it also inflates a little bit.
A lot.
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh.
Double its size.
Ooh. The second new slime we're restocking is called Mermaid Juice. It is a very pretty pigmented clear slime, and the color shifting is just very beautiful. The base looks very thick and very stretchy at the same time.
So this pigment has like a gold shift shimmer. It's so pretty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's mermaid juice because it looks like a mermaid would drink this. So it's a thick and holdable clear slime, but it's also stretchy.
It creates a lot of bubble pops. It's perfect. Here is the last new slime that we're restocking this week, and it's called
Rainbow Cubed.
As you can see, this is a very colorful slime. The base is super thick and it has lots of cubes. So it's cubed. This slime is basically a jelly cube slime, but with different
Bone pieces.
Yeah, it has a lot of different colors.
If you just want something very colorful, go for this slime.
Our mini watermelon is making a comeback,
Mini watermelon cubes.
right? And this is a mini cube slime. We haven't had them for a while, right?
So mainly we just restocked mini kiwi cubes and then like a while back mini straw cubes. But this one is coming back because
It's summertime and you want the watermelon.
Yeah.
This slime is actually super pretty. I'm thinking we might restock this one in the upcoming convention as well.
Yeah.
These
perfect for the summer season.
Yes, and these mini cubes are crushable and they will create a different texture after you crush them all. It's kind of like porridge. It makes a lot of bubble pop. It's very stretchy, but at the same time very thick.
And it is left unscented to keep its clarity.
And that's it for the new slimes. We will also put all the other slimes that we're restocking this week on the screen so you can see. Don't forget our promotion. If you buy 3 slimes, you get 1 free 2-ounce, and if you buy 4 slimes, you get free shipping plus the free 2-ounce slime. And our restock is this Saturday,
June 15th at 12 p.m. PST, 3 p.m. EST on Kyakyasmr.com.
and thanks for listening. That's it for this week's restock video. So don't wait. If you want slime, you get it. It's summer. You need slime because hot weather is stressing.
Guys, for real though, if you leave your slimes in the fridge for like 15 minutes or so and you play with it, it's like you're playing with an ice pack.
It's so nice.
It's so good. If you're in Southern California,
oh man, you know.
You know this heat.
I can't. I'm burning.
We're burned. We're dead.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye.